22 Hyundai Santa Cruz, getting to your cabin filter. It's going to be behind your glove box. To get behind your glove box, you're going to need to open it, disconnect the damper you have here, just pull on it and it'll unclip. It just clips back on later when you go to put it back together. Now you need to push the glove box in, where these are stoppers that stop the glove box from opening all the way. You need to push them in on both sides, and then you can lower the glove box. Might have to go back and forth a little bit to get it a little lower. Chem filter's in here. What we have to do is press these clips in, squeeze them in, and the door will come off towards your right. Okay. If you look, when you go to put it back together, this side goes in first in this slot, then you just push and click it back on. Anyways, filter's here. And all you do is just pull it right out. There we go. This one's brand new, so we're not replacing it today. There will be a link in the description box for a new one, so you get that part number, or you can order it straight from there. And there you go. There we go. Thank you.